Okay, so this is going to be the first cold start of 2014. Prius isn't home and the Celica is having worked on it, so yeah, all I have is this. I'm freezing. It was about 2 last night, 2 degrees. We had a big blizzard here. As you can see, there's some snow remains that this car drove in, and then it all melted because it was 50 on Monday, and now we're back down into the negatives. So with wind chill, it feels like it's negative 10 out here, and it's quite windy, as you can tell. So the video will be shaky. Car's dirty. It's been sitting since about maybe this. It went out today, I think, because it was moved. Yeah, it's probably been sitting since about this morning. I'm not quite sure. So you can see this is all just ice. It's so cold out that this morning there was like literally frost on the window from inside in everybody's cars. We're gonna see how this thing does. These engines do like the cold. See, that door is frozen. Should be uneventful because it's a daily driver, but we'll see. 28,926, and I'm not quite sure if it's still going to be on. It might be, but TPMS came on during the blizzard. So we'll see. I'm freezing, so yeah, it is on. It needs air on the tires because of this cold weather, of course. Yeah, it's cold. .5-liter single overhead cam aluminum block. That, my friends, is how we do a cold start. This is wrong. It is not 24. My phone, I'll get it out. My phone says it's literally, well, it said it was 7, but it's 10 now. Here. Yeah. 10. So, let's go ahead and shut her down. GPS there. That is cold. Oops. Not used to this camera. Guys, thanks for watching.